Hello guys, welcome to Cop First. So today we are going to solve a question which was asked in Deloitte. So let's first look at the table that we were given. So if I run this query, select star from sales, then this is the table that we get. This table has three columns: product ID, sale date, and sale amount. So each row in this table gives you the amount spent on a product on a particular date, right? Now let's see the question. So the question says, write a SQL query to find the top 3 highest selling products from each month based on total sales amount. Output should contain month, product ID, and total sales. So what we have to do here is we have to find the top 3 selling products in each month, and this is the format in which we need the output. Now, as the question says, we have to find the top 3 products by sales in a month. So first of all, in this data, as we have the sales at a date level, so one thing we'll have to do is we'll have to aggregate this data at a month level and at a product ID level. So I should have only one row for one product in a particular month, right? And this sale amount should be sum of the entire sale of that product in that month. So one is aggregation. One thing we have to do is aggregation. Another thing is we have to basically convert this sale date into month, because for aggregation we need a monthly level sales, so we'll have to convert it to month. And third is because we have to find the top 3, so somewhere we will have to use the ranking also. So we'll have to rank the product sales in a month so that we can filter out only top 3 products, right? So let's see how we can do that. So let's start with select from where we have to select. We only have one table, so we will write sales, right? And we know that we have to group this data, and we have to group by product ID and the month, right? So we'll write group by what? Group by product underscore ID, right? And what is the other thing that we have to group by? We have to group by this sale date, not date, actually month. So we'll have to first of all convert this into month. So right now I'm using SQL Server, so I will use the function date from parts, and I'll use this function to extract the month. So I'll write year. So I'll write it in the format year, month, and date, and I'll keep all the dates as first of that month. So I'll write year, sale date, and then I'll use month to extract the month, and month will be again month from sale date, and then finally I'll put it as 1. What this will do is it will convert all the dates to first of that month. So I'll represent a month by first of that particular month. Okay, so this is how we have converted it into month, and so we have grouped by product ID and month. So this is done. So other thing was we have to aggregate the sale amount, right? So how we have to aggregate? We will have to use the sum of sale amount. So in the select statement we will have to write sum of sale amount, right? Apart from sale amount, what all columns we need? We need the product ID, and this month column as well, right? So I'll just copy this. I'll copy this and we'll put it here, and we will call it as sales month, right? And this we will call as total sales, and we will put a comma here. So now if we run this query, so this is the output that we get. So each row here gives me product level monthly sales. So now this column is my month column. So you will see that in all the rows this is converted to basically first of that particular month, which is 2024 January, right? And this is converted to February 1st, right? So this represents my month now. So this particular row represents sales of product ID 101, 102, 103 in this particular month, right? So now we have the aggregated sales with us. Now what is the next step? So now somehow we have to identify which product had maximum sales. So for that, what we can do is we can add a rank to this table. We can rank these rows for each month and then filter out the top 3 products, right? So for that, what we will do is first of all we will enclose this in a CT. So we'll put it in a CT. Let's write with maybe month monthly, let's call it as monthly sales as, and let's enclose it in a city. Now once we have the monthly sales with us, now we have to rank these sales, right? So what we will do is we will do select from monthly sales. What do we select? We'll select the product ID, the sales month, and total sales, and then we will use the rank function to rank the sales. Now should we use the rank here or the dense rank function here? So we don't want if the products like this 101 and 102, if the products like these have the same sales, we don't want our the next highest sale to be skipped. So if we use the rank function here, then what will happen is, let's say this is ranked 1 on, let's say this is also ranked 1, then this will be ranked as 3. We won't have the rank 2 anyway, right? So in such cases we will use dense rank so that all the sales are ranked properly and these ranks are not skipped, right? So we will use dense rank here. We will say dense underscore rank over, and we will do partition by what? We have to rank the sales within a month, so we will say partition by sales month, right? And we will do order by what? We have to order by total sales, and it has to be in descending order so that the sales with the product with maximum sales is on the top, right? And let's call it as sales rank, okay? And we are doing it from monthly sales. So this should give me the rank of each of the product within that month. So let's try to run this and see the output. Yes, so we can see that this is rank 1, this is rank 2, these two products are rank 2, right? And this is rank 3. Now what if we would have used rank function here, then what would have happened? So let's run this with the rank function also. So in this case, you can see that this particular 900 value, which was earlier rank 3, is now ranked as 4. So now when we will be filtering it with, let's say, rank less than equal to 3, then this will be skipped. So that's why it's better to use dense rank here. Not better, but correct to use dense rank in such scenarios. So yeah, now we have ranked it. So now what is the next step? The next step was to filter only those rows where the rank is less than equal to 3, so that we have only top 3 ranks. So we will enclose this also in a CT, and we will, let's call it as product ranked as. We are calling it as product ranked. Now let's write a final query. We will write select from product ranked, and what do we have to select? We have to select only those cases where sales rank is less than equal to 3, right? And what do we have to select? We have to select the sales month, then we have to select the product ID, and then we have to select the total sales, right? And also we can order it by sales month. Let's order it by descending, and then order by sales rank, so that the first product is on the top of our output. This looks fine to us. Let's try to run it and see our final output. I think we have missed a comma here, so it will throw error. Now let's run it. Yes, so here you can see that our top product here is 106 in month 2, that is in February month. This is the top product. So these three are the top three products for this February month, and these four are the top three products in the January month. Here we have two products which have the same rank, that's why we are seeing top four products, right? These are products which have second highest sale. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.